Hey guys, it's Carolyn from All Day I Dream About Food. You ready to have a little fun today? We are not making a recipe. Instead today, we're doing a giveaway and talking about bakeware. I'm giving you the chance to win some of my favorite bakeware that I use all the time. Ready to get started? Now, my all-time favorite bakeware is USA Pan. Let me say first that this isn't in the least bit sponsored by them. This is all me. They don't even know I love them so much. But they have these beautiful pans that are completely non-stick and non-toxic. They're coated with a ceramic coating that releases everything so well. Also, this ridge thing has something to do with it too. I don't really know. I have so much of their bakeware. I have several round pans. This one's 9 inches. I have 8 inches as well. I have several square pans, 8 and 9 inches. I have they make these little tiny cake pans, which I really like for making small batch recipes. I have several of their loaf pans. I have their muffin pans. Let's see, we're gonna keep going here. I have their donut pan, fantastic. I have a mini muffin pan as well. I have a nice big baking sheet. They have them in all different sizes. And one of my absolute favorites, and the one I recommend so often, is the bundt pan. Because bundt pans are notorious for cake sticking, and this one just boop, pop, it comes right out. Now, I will be the first to admit that USA Pan ain't cheap. It is definitely more expensive than most bakeware. But, my friends, it will actually save you money in the end. Because how many times have you bought a cheap pan and had to throw it away within a year because it lost all its non-stick ability? That's not going to happen with USA Pan. See this pan here? I've had this thing for 8 to 10 years. It was the first pan of theirs that I ever bought, and it has lasted me so long. And trust me, I am hard on my bakeware, and I bake a lot. So here's the deal. Today I am giving away their 5-piece set of bakeware, plus I'm going to throw in the bundt pan and one of the muffin pans. And on top of that, I'm gonna send the winner a signed copy of The Ultimate Guide to Keto Baking. All you need to do is make sure you're subscribed to my channel and leave a comment telling me what you want to bake when you receive your new bakeware. Be sure to read all the details and the rules in the description of this video.